Every day, your body sends secret messages. Some are obvious. A fever tells you that something may be wrong. A headache tells you to slow down and rest. But one of the strangest messages comes from something most people barely think about. Sweat. Why do your palms suddenly become sweaty when you're nervous? Why does stress sweat smell different from sweat after exercise? And could sweat reveal hidden clues about what's happening inside your body? The answer is far more surprising than most people realize. To understand what your sweat is really telling you, we first need to understand why humans sweat at all. Most people think sweat exists for one reason: to cool us down, and they're right. The human body contains between 2 and 4 million sweat glands. These tiny structures are spread across almost your entire body. These glands constantly monitor your body temperature around the clock. The moment your temperature starts rising, they spring into action. They release moisture onto the surface of your skin through tiny openings called pores. As that sweat evaporates, it carries heat away from your body. That's what keeps you cool. Without sweat, even a short period of intense exercise or extreme heat could become dangerous. It's one of the most effective cooling systems found anywhere in nature. Not all sweat is created equal. There are different reasons your body sweats. The sweat produced during exercise is mainly designed to cool your body down. But stress sweat is completely different. It comes from a completely different trigger. It appears when you're nervous, anxious, embarrassed, or afraid. This reaction comes from an ancient survival system known as the fight or flight response. Thousands of years ago, it helped humans respond to danger. That's why your palms often become sweaty before a stressful situation, even when there is no real physical threat or real danger nearby. Stress sweat also tends to smell stronger than ordinary sweat. Here's something surprising: sweat itself has almost no smell. Fresh sweat is mostly water, salt, and small amounts of minerals. The smell begins when skin bacteria break down those compounds. As the bacteria feed, they release the chemicals we recognize as body odor. But stress sweat is very different. It contains more proteins and fatty compounds than ordinary sweat. That's exactly what bacteria love to feed on. Which is why stress sweat usually smells much stronger. It's not because your body produces more sweat. It's because your brain activates a completely different type of sweat gland. Every drop of sweat is a message from your body, protecting you long before you even realize it. The question is, are you paying attention? Subscribe for more hidden science of the human body.